if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for this ring light that I bought. I did get it from Amazon. It came in a box like this. I decided to buy a new ring light because the setup that I have now isn't working for me anymore. I need more space, which I clearly don't have at the moment, but I need more space, and so I decided to pick up a bigger ring light. Now it's not one of those huge ring lights. It's not one of those 18-inch ring lights, but I did get it's a 10-inch, and it came with the tripod. This one did not come with the Bluetooth remote like the other ones did, but I am gonna pick up one of those because they're pretty cheap on Amazon as well. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and unbox it with you all. I am going to be doing a video on this top. It says 90s baby. And I got these earrings and this necklace as well. I'm going to be going over all of this in some in a clothing haul that I'll be filming soon, hopefully. Anyway, I'm going to get right into the video. I had a pair of scissors. Here we go. If I'm not mistaken, I did pay. That's obviously not gonna work. I did pay $32, I think. Paid $32. This was $29.99, and I bought the warranty, and there was also a code on the page, or a discount on the page, so just check the box before I checked out, and it automatically applied. This is some strong ass tape. It automatically applied, and then that knocked it down to, it was like 35, and it knocked it down to like 32. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Get that out of the way. On the back, it just has this. It says 10-inch LED ring light, quantity 1, carton size, whatever. So I'm gonna move over. I'm probably not going to be in the shot anymore, but I'm going to move and start setting this up. Alright, so I think this is good. You should still be able to see me, and I'm going to set it right here. But it comes like this when you first open the box. It has a thank you card. And on the back it says, if you like it, they're going to tell you how to leave a review. If you don't like it, they're going to tell you to email them and help rectify the situation. Does come with installation instructions. They just look like this. And on the front, it just says LED ring light. It has the packing details. It shows you what's in it, shows you how to use it. It has cold light, natural light, warm light, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 10 notches. You can change the brightness on it with this little remote here. I actually already have a desk ring light, the one that clips to the table, and it's USB powered, so you can plug it into a box, a little cube like the one that your charger is hooks up to. You can plug it into your desktop, your notebook, USB charger, mobile power like a power bank, a portable charger. So this is the bubble wrap. I'm gonna go freak my dog out with this after I'm done filming because she absolutely hates bubble wrap and it's amusing. Okay, so this is the tripod stand. Let's see if I can pull this apart. Yep, there we go. Am I doing this right? Yep, there we go. This is the tripod stand, and this is what makes it longer. I think you're supposed to twist each part to make it stay. Twist it. Let's see. Nope. Is that it? Yep. So it's supposed to go up to 61. It's supposed to go up to 61 inches. Yep. It's pretty tall. I'm going to bring it back down though so you can see. And here is the ring light. It is a little bigger than my head because in my head is huge. Here's the remote to change the buttons on it. And is that it? Okay, this is the phone clamp. You put this and this together, and that just screws on there like that. And then this screws onto the lamp, or it just fits into the little phone install. The phone holder right here. That's what the instructions say. So, whoops. How? Let's see. I don't get it. Is there a way to untwist? Yeah. Okay. So for anyone that's having trouble fitting it on there, this part right here, it twists. So you're gonna twist it, which will give you the space to put the phone holder on in the square opening, and then you're gonna twist it closed. So the next part is to screw this onto the tripod. Or not. Am I missing a piece? Assemble the... Okay, this was already on here. So... I don't... Okay, there's a top. There's a cap on the tripod screw. So just screw that off, and then you'll be able to put this part on there. Counterclockwise, not clockwise. And I'm getting the lights and the cord all tangled up. And I'm not twisting. You know what? Okay, let me hold the cord. Oh, it's on there. I just twisted the ring light right off. Alright. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna come back when I can get this to lock.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I got it finally. However, the instructions say to twist it counterclockwise to lock it, and clockwise to unloosen it. But turning it counterclockwise was not getting it. I turned it clockwise and it went right on there. Anywho, now that that is over, okay, so this screw right here is to lock the ring light in place. Clearly, if you loosen it, you can twist it back, put it there, put it back here, to the side, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna keep it straight though. And then this screw right here is to loosen the phone holder, so you can put it here to the side if you wanted to. Just really awkward actually. Yeah. Which way am I supposed to be screwing? Okay. Right. Ooh. There we go. Right here. And then let's see how long the cord is. Whoa. Okay, so the cord is pretty long. I had like 10 cubes laying around here. I'm gonna go get my charger cube and we're gonna plug this baby up and see how it does. Got my cube. It's just my regular iPhone charger cube. Plug that into my power outlet, and when it's plugged in correctly, this light is gonna turn blue. It's gonna light up, and I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, that's bright. That's really bright. This is cold light, natural light, warm light, and you can dim it if you want. It's as dim as it goes. Oh, that's off. Okay. Again, this is start. This is low as it goes, and this is as bright as it goes. Gonna try the natural light. Yep. Now I'm gonna move this box and then sit it in front of me and see how that does. All right, so I've got it sitting right in front of me now. Just gotta say, I'm loving, absolutely loving this light. That's cold light, natural light. No, that's natural light, warm light, cold light. loving this. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch from this table clip ring light, and I'm gonna put my phone actually in the ring light, how it's supposed to go, or in the 10-inch ring light, and see how that works. So I now have my phone in the ring light. This I think is still cool white, natural white, warm white. I am highly upset that it's taking me this long to upgrade. I'm gonna unclip this but I'm mad that it's taking me this long to upgrade from this. Obviously, I'm gonna turn the light off so you can see it. Obviously, this wasn't doing much. It was doing something. It was doing a little something. So at the same time, it was doing a whole lot of nothing. And I couldn't, with my working space, or with my filming space, clearly I film up against the wall, and my desk is like to my left against another wall. So I was having to clip it. It's a little dusty. I was having to clip it and then extend the light and the phone holder all the way to the side to get the right angle, and it just wasn't working anymore. So I upgraded. This was $15 when I bought it. I think I got it during one of Amazon's lightning deals. It was $14 on Amazon, and I got this in 2018, I believe. It was May of 2018, I think. That's when I got this. And yeah, it's just been time. I'm still gonna keep it, probably for extra lighting. Yep, I'm keeping it for extra lighting because that's perfect. Yeah, that was the unboxing for this beautiful ring light. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I am gonna be hauling this necklace, these earrings, this top, and a few other things in one of my next videos. Now that I have this ring light, I'm able to film more, and I really hope that you all stay tuned for that. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are updated on when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.